Nutella. We're gonna crack to it. You would need to carefully hit it on your bowl and then crack it.
Don't crack it on me.
Now we've taken the shells out because you don't want a shelly cake. We're going to crack the egg onto the bowl. Now we're going to sift the flour into our cake. Finish it. You get it. Now we are going to mix it all together. Now we are going to put our mix equally into these cups. We are using a clear one so you can see. Now that we've split it equally, we are going to put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Because it's very hot, we are going to leave it for 1 minute. Time for a taste test. Let's see how it is. Very spongy. Can't even get it. Wine. I can't get it. Ow! Got myself a bit hard.
Spongy.
A bit dry, but quite good. It tastes good, but I think we needed to cook it for less. It would have been a bit less drier.
It's a little bit tasty.
Quite enjoy that. Our quick dessert has been finished. Please like and subscribe if you want to